Hi class, today we are doing a semi-homemade, low-carb take on a popular Chinese appetizer, Scallion Pancakes. Scallion Pancakes are addictively delicious, but they are typically high in carbs. Traditional recipe also takes a lot of effort to make because of the scratch-made dough. So instead we are going to make an easy, breezy, low-carb version for the modern home cook. It will help save a lot of time and effort. Here are the ingredients. First, we will take 3 low-carb flour tortillas out. These are going to help us create the layers of the scallion pancake. Take 1 tortilla and brush on a generous coat of bacon fat. Bacon fat is the oil dripping rendered from cooking bacon. The traditional way of making scallion pancakes does require the use of rendered pork fat. In fact, in the Chinese word for scallion pancake, "葱油饼", the second character "油" means oil. So the oil part is pretty essential for the recipe. Sprinkle some salt over the bacon fat. Grab a handful of the chopped scallions and spread it evenly across the tortilla. Once it's covered, grab another tortilla and lay it on top. Press down to merge the 2 tortillas together. Now repeat the process and brush on another layer of bacon fat. Add salt. Add the chopped scallions. On the last tortilla, brush on the bacon fat on one side and put it over the layered tortillas. Again, press down hard and evenly to seal all the tortillas together. Finally, brush 1 more layer of bacon fat on the very top layer and sprinkle with salt. Apply extra pressure on the outer edge of the tortillas to seal them together. In a pan, drizzle some olive oil and turn on medium-high heat. Place in the scallion pancake and let it fry for about 30 seconds. Use a spatula to press down the pancake to keep everything flat. Fry until the bottom side is golden brown. Flip the pancake over and cook the other side until golden brown and crispy. Put the pancake on a chopping board and cut into 4s. Even though this is a non-traditional way of making scallion pancakes, we can check off all the essence of a good scallion pancake, which is a crispy, crusty surface, fluffy layers inside, and sweet and savoriness of the fresh scallions. The bacon grease gives it a meaty, smoky flavor and helps make the pancake more moist. All the taste without all the carbs. Normal scallion pancakes can contain more than 40 grams of net carbs, where this recipe yields about 12 grams of net carbs. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.